Alright, this is RC Kings, and I just got this in the mail. It's a Exceed RC. I already had it opened a little bit, but I taped it back up so I can show you. This is where I got it from, NitroRCX.com. That's it. Alright, I got the starter set, which comes with 2 tuning screwdrivers, well, yeah, flathead and Phillips. It comes with an Exceed RC, 9 battery, 1.2 volt, rechargeable, and it comes with the charger in here. It comes with 2 little wrenches. I don't get the point of this, but it comes with a fuel bottle right there. I think I already said that. It comes with a bigger wrench right here. Alright, now let's get to the car, or buggy itself. Alright. Other side. Take this out. Put it right here for a minute. Nothing else. Alright. Just a temporary car until I get more money or whatever. It comes with stickers, it comes with your parts list or hop-up parts or whatever. It comes with parts list on the back, it comes with a little antenna for your radio or receiver. It comes with some shock. I always forget the name of it. Alright, the remote I didn't open yet, I'll open that in a minute. Alright, now to the car. This comes off, so you could buy hop-ups or whatever for that, and it's held in by 2 pins. Just push those back in, body pins, body clips, whatever. Alright, the body's held in by 3 of them, 2 in the back, 1 in the front. That should just pop off. You may have to give that a little push up right there. I have not run it yet. I want to, but don't have enough time. It is pull start. This is this .16 buggy engine. What else about this? It's really light for once. Like the Traxxas are a lot heavier. What else was? Oh, the remote. Alright. Put that aside for right now. Let's open this. Let me get that. Alright. Now, this is your remote. Of course they don't give you batteries or anything. I wish they did. It'd be a lot easier. I'm going to upgrade the remote for this in my Traxxas. I like the grip on this. One thing I don't like is... What don't I like on this? I don't know. I forgot. I like how it's only 4 batteries for once. But now they're making 4. I have the older Traxxas that has like 8 batteries. It's really pain. Throttle trim, steering trim. I'm going to show you a braking procedure as soon as I get some gas and get back from the racetrack tomorrow. But it's going to be on Sunday that I'll be able to show you when, or how to break it in, or whatever. this is just an unboxing video of the Exceed RC. Type is it? Oh my god. The Buggy, I forgot what type it was. Wow. You don't need this on there, but just keep it in case of anything. Just a precaution. Normally the engine will start after gently pulling several times. I don't know yet if that works, but I like this throttle, or the servos in here, they're pretty good. I do hate this box. My friend has one, and the box holds the servo and the batteries, and all your wires, or not servo, receiver, batteries, and the wires. I don't like how that's set up, but it's something. I don't know what fuel I'm going to break it in with. I want to break it in with something like better than Traxxas, but I need Traxxas for my T-Max 3.3, but that's about it for this review. I'm going to start getting more buggies and stuff soon, but that all depends on money right now, and I'm trying to get sponsored, so I'm going to the racetrack tomorrow to go race. We are, and we're going to try to get some sponsors and stuff. Hopefully some of them are there. I'm not going to be racing this. I don't even want to bring this to the track yet. I'm going to be upgrading lots of stuff on this. If something breaks, I'm not going to the normal exceedrc.com or wherever to buy it, parts. I'm going to buy it right off of the hobby shop, because I want to put upgrades and stuff in there. These are very weak. You could probably bend them with no force with a plier or whatever. This is a temporary RC. I do like the shocks on here, but they don't have that much spring action. Alright, that's it.